Hi and welcome back to another Sunday Ritual team. Thank you for being here. I'm excited about this video today because I have an announcement to make. I am collaborating with ESSENCE Cuisine, a plant-based restaurant located in the heart of Shoreditch here in London, and we are doing a hosted brunch event with me as the host on next Saturday, 14th of April from 10 a.m. to 12. And there are tickets, so if you want to come to this event, make sure you click the link below to get your ticket. It's limited space available, so make sure that you get your ticket because it's gonna be sold out quite quickly, as I've already had people messaging me, I'm coming. So make sure you get your ticket if you want to be there. And I'm super excited about this because what we're going to talk about, or what we're going to do at this event, is kind of the following. I want to share with you how and why I became vegan plant-based almost 6 years ago, and how that influenced my creative and my movement practice. I also want to share with you a bit of my personal stories on how to embrace your individuality and our unique talents and gifts, which we've all been blessed with. I want to talk to you, or have a discussion with you, on kind of how our current life situation is actually a direct reflection of our self-worth. And of course, I want to share with you 6 tools on how to reconnect with your unique authentic self and kind of boost your self-worth. And at the end, I want to just have an open discussion with you, a Q&A. You can ask me anything. I want to ask you anything. And I really want this event to just be kind of a gathering of like-minded people, of you out there who feels connected to the stuff I talk about. If you have questions for me, if you just want to meet and have a conversation and meet other young creatives, a space also to network and see who's out there, who's interested in the kind of like same mindset as you are, or same interest. That's really why I'm excited about this event, to bring people from different areas together who I know will link and click, if that makes sense. And of course, I feel like if you feel that you're ready to kind of like make life happen for you, come to the event. Come to the event. We'll talk. We'll exchange. We'll share. It's really there because I'm in this process. I'm absolutely in the process of making things happen for myself and also for other people around me. When I say always like I want to make things happen for myself, that comes from a place of knowing that if I make things happen for me, I'm able to involve other people as well and make things happen for them. So that's kind of like a really drive and motivation for me. And of course, my own personal journey, which is a never-ending process, which is cool. So yeah, if it resonates with you, I would love to meet you. Again, it's next Saturday, 14th of April in East London, Shoreditch, at ESSENCE Cuisine. I will link I will make a link down below where you can get your ticket. Make sure you get your ticket as soon as possible. As I said, it will sell out probably quite quick, because the space is very limited, but I want to have a nice group of people together where we can vibe and listen to good music and have good conversations and and have amazing food. The food is so amazing. There will be a raw vegan option and there will be a vegan option and a hot drink, so you're sorted for a nice smooth breakfast. Cool, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're good. I hope to see you next Saturday at the event at ESSENCE Cuisine with me, with you. Take care.